weekend?
Doing good, bro. How's your weekend?
Solid.
It's
Um,
tough,
it was boring because there was no trades. There was nothing to do, so it was kind of boring. But
bro. Facts.
I was itching for a trade for like a good couple hours. Like I was tweaking out mentally. I'm like, I want to trade. By the way, on YT I have low latency, so like this is the lowest like delay that you could ever receive. If you guys want to be on there too. Um, on boom. View live control room. I dope. What up, guys?
All right, Terry, bro.
What are you saying, Rayan?
You seen the no the oh wait, I don't know if you did it because I don't know if you're locked out of your accounts, but you seen the contracts they made us sign today
What were the contracts?
on
Top stuff.
Project X when you
No.
signed in?
No, what was the contract?
Okay, maybe because maybe your accounts are on pause, so you weren't able to see it. But like, hold on. Basically, they made you sign away like any right to complain.
Are you
Wait, hold
serious?
on. Here. Hold on, look what I sent in
There
chat.
is no way.
Any right to complain? You're like, nah. Topstep can ban you for any reason. Topstep can restrict or suspend you.
No
Topstep can
fucking way, bro.
any changes. It's crazy.
That's insane.
And we signed that shit like some good boys. We signed that
I
shit
mean,
like some
just
good
give
boys.
me my account, bro. Like, I don't, bro. Like, again, I'm following your fucking
Even
rules,
the even
bro.
the slippage shit,
Yeah.
even the slippage shit when silver freezes and stuff. They're like, nah, you can't complain about that.
Are you serious? They're that desperate?
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck is up with Top Step, bro? I'm gonna talk my shit, yo. They better. The only way out, if they really want me to be quiet, they better ban me. They are not silencing me, bro. Nope, not happening. I don't give a shit. They already took my account from me, so.
It might be dictatorship. I don't know.
Loki is.
It's like, bro, I literally saw that and I was like, yo, the timing of these contracts wanting to be signed is like too on spot. It's like, I looked
That's
into it, bro. I was
insane.
like, damn, like these motherfuckers are slick.
They're trying their best to do this, That's insane. That's just crazy. Alright, I'm just opening 3 select accounts right now. I opened 3 100Ks if you guys want to tag along with me. You guys are more than welcome to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Obviously, it's your choice. But I really want to go build for 3 selects, maybe just fully focused on select accounts. I do really want to start focusing on the daily payouts more than anything. So we'll be opening some
Yeah.
TPT accounts soon too. That's something I'm interested in as well.
Oh my, these guys are like the smartest people I've ever seen, bro. Even with the whole like hedging shit, like, bro, they didn't even ban you guys. They accused you of hedging, and
And
then
they lock it.
they said they're gonna take away your balances, but still let you keep your XFA.
No, no, no,
That
not
way
it's not.
you don't
That's
have
the
to pay.
thing. That's the thing. Like they're not even for me. If they quote unquote want, they're gonna ban me. Then that's it. The XFA and the balance goes both of them go away.
No, but they're not gonna ban anyone. They said they're gonna. I don't know if you saw the email, but there's gonna be two categories. There's gonna be light offenders and there's gonna be serious offenders. They're gonna investigate your accounts one by one. They sent out this email to everyone. They're gonna investigate your accounts to determine if you're a light offender or a serious offender. And like both cases, I think if you're a light offender, you get to keep your XFA, but it's at a zero balance. And if you're a serious offender, you lose the XFA, but you still are able to you're still able to trade with them or some shit. Like either way, they're not banning people, so they still have their customer.
What the fuck?
You didn't get
Like
this
bro,
email?
I
that's the
haven't gotten
smartest shit I've
anything to
ever
be
heard in my
honest.
life, bro.
No,
Oh, I'm cooked, then, bro.
I haven't gotten that email. I think I'm cooked. Hi Turbo,
They're not
hopefully
gonna
you're
ban you
doing good.
regardless.
Can
They're
I
just gonna
ask
take your
prop firms?
accounts.
I should be hedging. What do you mean? Why would you hedge prop firms? No, don't hedge any firms, bro. Do not hedge any firms, please. Again, it's literally like it's the worst thing you can do. Again with Top Step, that's exactly what they're trying to hit people with right now. So please don't hedge. There's just no point of hedging. All right, I'm gonna be taking a couple of trades today with you guys. Let me see, 15. The one in turn with maybe 10 actually. 10 contracts is enough. No, it's just crazy to me how they're like approaching this. They're going about this again. If they're truly worried about people hedging, they would actually go about this in a way different, in a whole different way, and they would pretty much. All right, this 15 is failing this direction.
They kept it in their.
Hold on, this 15
They
is
kept the trump card in their back pocket, bro. They said,
basically.
oh, okay, no hedging for, like like for years, whatever. But they never gave a fuck about people hedging combines or whatever. But now all this shit's going on, and they're like, okay, we're gonna pull this card.
About to maybe try out this. If this closes like that, I might try this out for a long, just because we're respecting this demand right here on the 1 minute. Okay, we did close this out really nice. Let's see how it does here. We have about 1 more minute till this 15 closes. Just giving it some time. I don't even need to target this much. I can go for a target here.
Bro, apparently on a fresh XFA, you can't trade even one micro.
Alright, I'm in this for a long, guys. I'm in this for a long. Yeah, you literally, they're restricting it all. They're restricting it all of it.
Like
My
I
stops
could
right
trade
here.
a balance on my shit, but bro, that's crazy. So you have to build it on NQ, and then once you're over like I think 2,000, then you can use 1 or 2 micros.
I want to
that's
put my
actually
stops a little bit higher, so just right here
insane.
is fine. My stops being right here is fine. I want to risk 1,000 only on this trade. I'm not trying to risk more than that, to be honest with you guys. And then over here, I want to see how much my TP would be. I need it a little bit higher, just so that way we don't get fucking hit with a, oh, well, you're like 20 bucks away from the minimum required. All right, so I'm in a long on gold. My stop is at 5041.1. The only thing I'm worried about is the supply zone that we're trading in right now. I see price pushing up higher for the rest of the night and a more of a trending day more than anything. And then after that, maybe we can get a potential break to the downside throughout maybe New York session, I would say. But at the moment, I am very bullish biased unless we start dropping back up down from this low. We start pushing back down. Then at that point, that supply is respected, and I will go ahead and pivot bias to a short. But where price is currently sitting right now, I would go for a long.
Silver is a gap, just so you know.
That's fine. 1.7. Oh, stop loss is at 5041.1. If it starts pushing down and breaks out of this low, then I mean the only thing that would make sense is the 15-minute is respected, the 30-minute is respected as well, more than likely pushing it 2 down, and that way I'll pivot my bias into a long. I mean a short, sorry. But at the moment, MGC longs is the go for me. Until we break this low right here, I'm still in a long, and then if we break out of this, we break these whole lows right here. That would also pivot the 15, that would break the 30 to the downside. At that point, I will look for a short. Eddie, what up, bro? Thank you, thank you. What up, everybody on YT? All right, this is the ultimate test right here. We should fly up. We should start trading up right now, break out of these highs. And again, this is just my opinion. Once we break these lows, if we break out of this low, then I would be looking for a move back down. But at the moment, I'm bullish biased. What up, everybody? How y'all doing?
Destroyer.
Destroyer's over here. Ooh.
Yo.
Top step pay. Bro. I'm not dealing with that bullshit anymore, bro.
Yo, Destroyer, you see the type of bullshit Turbo be sending me, bro?
Nah, dude. I don't even know how you get that shit on his fucking page.
Bro, you sent me like 3 of those today, bro.
All right, there goes 30 ticks here. Again, I really want to break out of this high, guys, right here on the 5-minute would be dope. That's 50 ticks right here. 60 ticks, 70 ticks, 80 ticks here. I really want to break out of this high. That would break the hourly to up, and that would also break the 30-minute to the top side. That is something I'm really interested in. But again, if it price breaks this low, then I would want to be in a more short. So at the moment, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. My take profit is sitting at 5081.7. I'll comment that on the Discord as well, just so everybody has it. TP at 5081.7.
Yo, Penny
Yeah.
Top Step has the Easter egg for the in
Super
Super
Bowl
Bowl
or
too,
whatever.
bro.
What the fuck?
That's why they're denying your payouts, bro. They need
Instead of working on the firm and fixing the shitty fills and all that, they're making Easter eggs. Are you serious right now?
Yeah, it's probably like an ad or some shit.
No. Top Step says, you know what? I'm gonna fuck with these traders. Let me open a brokerage. I'm gonna fuck them up even more. Let me go ahead and do. Bro, what the fuck kind of stupid? What the fuck? Oh my god, this firm is actually like. Oh god, bro.
Oh shit. This shit's so loud.
I really wanted to break out of this high right here first, and then this high next. Here we go, retesting that high. We should get a nice explosive move here.
Oh, I'm in a shorts. No.
Bro, I'm just following your rules like a good boy, bro. I'm not doing any type of anything at all, bro. Just trading one account, winning days. That's it. Especially after I signed my life away in that contract, bro.
Nah, for real, dude. Like, what kind of fucking
Where is he?
contract
He'll
is
be on
that?
soon. Alright, here goes the new candle. This should give us the breakout. Again, if we start breaking to this downside right here, I will look for a short. So I would look for a retracement into a short, but at the moment I am bullish biased. Again, I repeat that like 10 times already, but that's fine.
Person short, one person long. Sounds like head, bro.
Two different accounts.
Fucking-
Two different accounts,
this is
two
a
different
bag,
people,
bro.
bro. No, even then it's like, bro.
I was about to start clowning you, bro.
What broker list you do 8 AM MGC? Only on Tradeify. Only on Tradeify let you do that, bro. Go on Tradeify, bro. That's the only firm.
Wait, what the fuck is this? I'm not even using it, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Alright, here it goes for the retest again. We're holding this demand level really well, but
Trades, bro.
we'll see.
Yo, with a big balance, you can go up to max 2 micros, guys, on GC and silver.
Or you could just go on Tradeify and you could just trade like a normal human being.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get my money out of this account first.
Oh yeah, I feel that. No, I don't blame you, bro. Alright, right here, we need a push up. Otherwise, this trade is pretty much destined to come back down lower right here.
I wonder why the candles move so bad on TradingView.
It's so choppy. I hate that shit. But that's why I like Project X, because of the fast shit, but yeah, the way they did this is just really wrong.
But there's not a lot of volume right now. Like, it's not. It's low key. Even on Project X, it's not really clean.
The Asians are watching the Super Bowl right now.
Asians are looking for the top step Easter egg, bro.
No, they seriously make a freaking Easter egg while this shit is going down in their firm. Again, if we break this 5-minute 2 down, so if we break this low right here, then I mean that's just cooked like more than anything. So I'm gonna move my stops to that low right here, just because I genuinely don't want to break out of that. If it breaks this low, then I would want to be out. But other than that, I'm more longs. Comment. Moved SL to 5042.8. I don't want that to break. I don't want that to break. So again, I see this more as a protected place for us to place our stop losses. This is the last fucking barrier before a dump, I would say. So this breaks it to the downside, then we are pretty much in a cooked position. I would want it to push back up. This is on the 5-minute right here for anybody that's watching on YouTube or on Discord. The 5-minute right here, once we break this to the downside, I would see this for a pivot back down lower, possibly to these lows right here. But at the moment, I am bullish biased till we get the push up to this supply.
I was like arguing with the top steps like mods and their Discord today, bro. I was like explaining to them like how silver and gold are not 1 to 1. Like if silver goes down like a point, you know, what I mean that's like a even with 1 micro, it's like 1,000. But if gold goes down like fucking 10 points, like it's not.
That's not the same. Yeah.
It's only $100.
Two
Like,
different things. Yeah.
like whoever came up with this shit, like he's actually acoustic, bro. Like
Be careful. Be careful.
he's
Be
like,
careful.
oh well,
I can hear you. Yeah.
yeah. He's like talking about like you know when Trump did the tariff shit, they fucked around with the NQ margins too, but I don't remember anybody being affected by that. These guys are interesting.
Again, we're failing that. We break this low, then I would want to be out.
How's it? Mafufu? Bro, I'm not gonna lie, after they banned Lathe, I don't.
Mafu is interesting. Mafu has like good accounts, but at the same time, it's yeah.
I don't. I think the only firms I want to stay with right now are trade.
If it breaks this low, then we sell. Yeah, if we break out of this line right here, then I would want to be out of the longs. To be honest, I would look for maybe I'd move down to these lows right here.
Oh, toss up
He's
ad
proud.
is live.
Where is he at right now? Making him proud, bro.
Zuzu is
Toss up ad is live right now.
Top Step is live right now. I'm gonna crash out instead of working on the fucking reviews and shit. They're sitting there fucking watching the Super Bowl, bro. What the fuck kind of firm is this, bro? It's like, oh, you don't want to trade silver? You want to trade silver? We can't offer that, bro. We're gonna be watching the Super Bowl. My bad, bro.
Watch the Super Bowl.
You wanna watch the Super Bowl with us, bro?
Watching the Super Bowl instead of game.
Again, if it doesn't hold this, guys, I'm of course gonna pivot into a short. For the people that are saying, why don't you see it for a short? I do again, but if we have to break this whole range right here. If we break that, then yeah, I mean, I would want to be out. Other than that, I mean, this is the only protection that I see right now for buyers. So I don't want to have my stops higher than or lower than that. There's no point. I would see it for a bounce back up into this supply, and then from there maybe a short. But at the moment, I'm just really expecting a move up. It's just choppy as hell.
I'm kind of curious what the Easter egg is, though.
Me too. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to know.
50% off fucking discount code.
We have a 5-minute inside at the moment. And previous 5 is a 3-bar. So we have a 3-1, either 2 reversal or 3-1, 2 continuation coming up very soon. Depending on how this 5 closes. Alright, it did not close the best, but not the worst. So it's fine. It's more bullish. So just wait. Where's my TP at? It's at 50, 81.7. Alright, there goes bounce now and fly high. It's not the 5 minutes, the 1 minute. I understand. There's another chart right here, bro. There's another chart on the left side. Let's see. I'm risking like $1,000 on this trade. It didn't last maybe like 800, I think. Check. Let's see, where's the risk right here? 880. So it's nothing crazy. 944. My bad. It's nothing crazy. I really want to see a move up though. My stop loss is at 50.42.8. It's coming to break that 5 right now. Alright, now we flip. We have to flip. We have to flip. Otherwise, it's cooked. I got longs from 50.17. And TP's at 50.30. Oh, God. Not bad. Not bad. We have to flip right here. Not a bad entry, dude. You caught it from the bottom. 17, that's like right here somewhere. So break off that high, I would assume. That's what got you in. From the mother bar. And then push up, I get that. Not bad. So Top Step paused, or yeah, they completely paused all my accounts. Again, if it was truly about hedging, or they quote unquote saw that as a hedge or whatever the fuck, then they could pause the account that was accused of that, and the other accounts could be traded still. But the fact is that they paused all my accounts. They don't allow me to open up any more accounts. That makes it more of a, oh, this person has requested this many payouts. We don't want to pay him out even more. And I was 1 day away from another payout to move up to live after 5 payouts. There we go. And I've seen people, and I know people that have hedged on the firm, and they're completely fine. They have never gotten the email, you know? They still haven't gotten the email. So it's like, if it was truly about that, then they could easily, you know, send that email out to all these people that have hedged too. But they didn't. They sent it to certain individuals only. And they're coming up with some people that are like, oh, it's 1 year ago. Someone was 6 months ago, and then they called them out on that. Apparently, like, what, bro? Like, what do you mean? All right, gold. What are we doing? What the fuck is this? Holy chop. Big resistance level. Yeah, this whole range right here is more of a resistance level right here. Just wanted to break out the highs. That's what I see it more of. But again, I could be wrong, and my stop loss is right below this low. This is the last protection I see for buyers. So if it breaks that, then I would want to be out.
ZZ has taught me well.
Silver drop, get out. No, I'll just wait for it to hit stop loss, bro. That's fine. Check the 15. Yeah. That's an insane 15, but gold, I mean, I see it for a bullish. I have my stops. I have my take profit. We just sit back and wait. I don't know if Z is going to get on today.
Probably not. He's enjoying his vacation.
Oh, yeah. What's TP? My take profit is at 50, 81.7. Yeah,
Yeah.
he's in Oregon. Vacation Oregon?
I thought he was like in Dubai or some shit.
No. New top step agreement. You read that? You read it, user? You read that shit? I'm from Oregon. Yo, hit up Z. Maybe he'll link up with you. This is how you get to Z. You know what you need to tell him? Hey ZZ, I have a I have ice cream. Say you have gelato, you have chocolate ice cream, and if he's down to come eat some ice cream, he will definitely come see you. He likes ice cream a lot. So this is how you get to ZZ, yeah. Just tell him I have ice cream, and then he'll be like, ice cream? Oh shit, and then he'll pull up. So you just need to tell him you have ice cream. Like usually chocolate or caramel. Those are his top two. Z is not gonna link up with Bro. Stranger danger, no. If it's ice cream, he doesn't care. If it's ice cream, oh, a shawarma. Yes, a shawarma would work too. That's accurate. Yep.
Wait, am I allowed to say that?
Yeah, they don't even know what that means. All right, NQ or GC. I need you to do something. I need you to do something.
Watching the Super Bowl or something? What's going on here?
I think the market is waiting for the Super Bowl.
Yeah, once like one team gets a touchdown.
I've never watched football my whole life. For the people that are wondering, I have never once in my life seen a football match. I know they just pick up the ball and they run. That's it. That's what I know, but that's cool, I guess. Look at general chat. What's going on? ZC down for ice cream. Go live, man. Where's your TP? My take profit is at 5081.7. That was a weird push down. No, I don't think it's weird, honestly. I mean, again, this is a level where we could either respect this 15-minute supply zone really well, or we could get a reaction off of it to push back up higher. So we have this as the supply zone that I'm kind of watching right now. That's why my TP is a break out above it and then push to this supply zone right here, which is a 30-minute supply. So we just gotta wait and see again. Could be wrong, but my bets are on it pushing up higher. We'll see. I'm gonna be personally trading select accounts moving forward, to be honest with you, just because of the daily payouts that you get with them. That's what I'm gonna aim for. I'm gonna try to copy trade 5 of them, so I'm gonna just rack up as many, or 3 maybe at a time. I'm gonna copy trade, and then yeah, we'll just do that. Immediate rejection right away as soon as these buys try to step in. Oh, the 30 closed. It already closed. It already closed. Now we have to want to see this break right here. Kind of want to see that break.
Yeah, the 30-minute closing inside buy.
Doji 2, and it's red, so there goes the spike up, and then depends on what it does here. That's what's going to matter.
So cooked.
The 5 looks good for it, so I mean, let's see. The 5-minute looks good for it. My stop loss is at 5042.8, guys. Here, I'll fix this real quick. My apologies. Is that Z? Hi.
What's up, ZZ?
You sound a little interesting.
Huh?
You sound a little interesting. Did you eat ice cream?
Did I eat ice cream?
Yeah, I told somebody that if they ask you for like an ice cream date, you would hang out with them.
Oh yeah, for sure.
See, I told you. I told you guys. Just hit them up with ice cream or shawarma. Those two. They always work.
Is my voice good or
Yeah.
is it tripping?
No, you're good. You're good.
Alright. I'm gonna go live.
I have a delay, that's why I said 6 months.
Just use top step.
Behind 5 minutes.
Somebody said tell him to look at general chat.
Oh god.
Think they want you for an ice cream date, bro.
Crazy work.
Why is GC restricted? The goat Kino, it's because of how many people are able to book with gold and silver, the metals right now. The market is just moving crazy. They're moving like they're on steroids, literally. So that's mainly why, really. Do you think Tradeify will restrict GC? At the moment, no noise of that at all from Tradeify. That's the only firm that has held it down and not said, oh, well, we gotta put restrictions or whatever. They're keeping it tight on that. But they also have lower payouts, so keep that in mind. Like, yeah, they're not putting restrictions, but their payouts on like their 150 or 100Ks is like 1,500 from the select accounts, you know? Or if you are going to go for the 5 days, it's like 4,000 or 3,000 or some shit like that. I posted a tweet about that yesterday, actually. So they do have it where it's that's what I'm saying. If Top Step really cared about the trader and they wanted to fix it in a way that they could kind of give the trader that, hey, look, we're willing to help you, also help us. Here, how about we lower your payouts to $3,000 per payout, and now they have this profit margin to work with. Hey, we will lower your payouts to about $3,000 per payout, and every 5 winning days, and we will let you trade however you feel like trading. We also want you to move live. Done. But their agenda with this whole thing is pretty clear on why, and they opened a new chair for a chargeback, whatever the fuck, because obvious reasons. A lot of people are charging back now. Me personally, if they hit me with this and if they actually just genuinely do this, I'm gonna charge back for all my transactions. It still won't be enough for compared to how much I could have gotten paid out. It's definitely not nowhere close to that, but it's something, you know. Tradeify is the only firm that has held it down. Oh, of course I'm gonna charge back. Yeah, bro. They're basically scammed me at that point. If they're gonna just close out my accounts, ban me, and do all this because of whatever fuck reasons they want to come out with not showing clear evidence. Again, I sent them a screenshot of both of the trades that they quote unquote called for hedge. I sent them a screenshot of them. There is a 10-second delay between the two. I exited the short on my express and I entered in the long on the combine 10 seconds after when I swapped the accounts, right? So again, I was possibly in a short. I was like, okay, well, price is pushing up higher with aggression. I'm going to exit. I'm going to enter in with this account. Made the swap, entered in. And they consider that as a hedge. No, bro, that's not how it works. That's not how it works, no. So if they want to do some stuff like that, then I get it. I respect it, but, you know. All right, if it breaks this low again, here it comes for retest. Could potentially bounce up here. If it breaks this low, then I would want to be out. That's where a stop would be triggered for me. Z, are you live? Where's Zuzu? He just left? Maybe he's updating his computer or some shit. That's what I'm saying. Be careful, Zuchi, with the buybacks that we're getting. That's why I'm saying that's the only reason why I'm in this. The amount of buybacks that we're getting towards this low right here is just massive. So, and if it breaks that, that's the only line of defense that we have. This is the only defense that we have for sellers. So, or for buyers basically. If it breaks that, then at that point, you know, that line of defense is gone. Price is likely to trend back lower. Do you know when I can trade my Top Step Express? Because it says under 15, I can't trade it. It's probably on a pause as well. You might have to reach out to their support. It will take you about 12 days for them to respond. Enjoy. Gotta love it, bro. You gotta love it. $12 wow. Just being honest, yo. Wendy's gonna take her sweet ass time to respond to you, bro. That bot is not botting, bro. Why you buy in a range? I'm expecting a breakout to the top side out of this range, dude. But again, yeah, I could be wrong on that note. See the buybacks right here. All right, we have a new 15 here in 5 more minutes. That's going to kind of determine what's likely to happen next for us to know where price wants to go. Let me see the 15. Did ZZ get paused like you, Turbo? No, he did not. He did not. And majority of the positions me and Z were taking at the same time. You know, so it's another thing. But I'm not going to throw him under the bus and say, oh, well, what about my friend? No. Just let him request his payouts. Let him request his payouts. Let him get them out of the way at least, you know. How much will you lose if they don't pay you out? About $110,000 in total. $110,000. All right. This is looking bearish at the moment. Basically, that's the whole point. That's what I was trying to aim for, is go live and then request as many payouts as possible from that account and move on. All right, that's a crazy rejection right here. If it breaks this low, then yeah. That's fucked, man. Yeah, I know, dude. But it is what it is, bro. Like, at the end of the day, this is the prop firm space. That's why you should not be taking it. I should have never depended on them this much. I just thought they were really trusted, to be honest. Like, compared to the other prop firms in the space, TopStep was leading the industry by a lot, and they obviously failed at that. They couldn't hold it up for too long. I mean, they are the top traded firm. Okay, that stopped me out. I'm out of that. They are the most traded firm. Stopped out on longs. Let's see what it does here. Very possible entry back in or short move down. I would want to see a break now that we've got stopped on this long. I would want to see a break out of this low before I even think about taking it into a short maybe, because I really want to see direction being followed here from move down all the way to these lows. So yeah, I would have to wait for now. I would want to see a potential break before I do anything. Yeah, I mean, I'll be down about $100 and something thousand. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Meanwhile, since we're not in a trade anyways, where is it displayed? Right there. Boom. Okay, so this account has $73,000 in balance. That is, you know, or $55,000 in balance. Let me see, 55. I'm gonna do the math on that. 55, 0, 13.24. I'm gonna do it to the cent, bro. Just like them, they're Jewish with it. Plus, this one has 59, 162.72. So $114,000 would be gone. Yeah. $114,000 would just be gone. And the crazy part is, 1 day away from going live. 1 day. So disappointed, but yeah. So disappointed, but yeah, it is what it is, bro. $15 is closing up again. It's really struggling at these lows, not giving us the push down that we want. I'm gonna just have to wait for now. I hope they give you your accounts back. I hope so too, honestly. I really hope so too, but we'll have to see what they do. W trade Zuchi.
It's still not 50p yet, but I'm just gonna hold it.
Yeah. Good, good, good. That's the mindset. Top Step is low-key becoming a joke. They are a joke at this point, bro. Here goes the push here. 1 hour. I want to see what 1 hour. How is it closing? We have 15 minutes till the hourly closes. I just have to wait for now. Turbo blew my account. Oh no, my bad, bro.
Oh, the 30-minute broke the inside. See that?
Is Zizi live on his TikTok or no? Oh no, he's not. Bro, blame me on Turbo. It's okay, people will always have that. Okay, bet. Yeah, Z will be joining us back here shortly. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I give up. It's okay, bro. Don't give up. It's not that serious at the end of the day. This is what trading is, bro. This is what trading is. Let me see what it does here. I might re-enter back in. What the fuck is this? Oh. Would want 8 units. Let's see what it does here. So I would need to make $3,000 now, 3,100 for me to quote unquote be up 2,000 on the day. To sell, I would want to see a break. I would want to see a clean break. This is not it for me right now. This is not showing me that. So. Alright. Okay, let's see. Still not in this, by the way. This is just projection. Just waiting. Let's see how it does off the break right here. Okay. $30 seconds till this 1 minute closes, and I'll decide. I'm waiting for this to close. Super Bowl's on. I don't watch it, bro. I don't watch Super Bowls. I don't get the hype. I don't understand the hype. Why people love it so much. It's just dudes running with a ball, bro. Like, grow up, bro. What are we,
What
10?
happened, Cryptic?
Whoa.
We're not.
You good, bro? Damn. Damn, dude.
Oh, how? Sure, bro.
I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I am not in this. People are thinking I'm dragging my stops lower. I'm not in this. Hello? This is a projection. I'm not in it, yo. Look, look. This is just a projection, yo. Please. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting at the moment.
I got T-boned by a dude on 50%. He's like,
God.
"Oh my God."
So I'd want it to break out of this high right here. For me to possibly try it out for back for an entry. If it breaks that high, then I'll try it. But at the moment, I'm not going to jump in. Oh, there it is. All right, I'm in. Stops, I want it to be below this low right here.
Yo.
Yo. What up, Zuzu?
Alright. Um.
10. That's 1,200 risk. 2,900 TP. I need it to be like 3,200. So just right about here. It's fine. Alright, that's perfect. My stop is at 50, 31.2. MGC longs 50. Oh shit. 43 point. What is that? 43 point. What is that? Point 8. Point 8. Point 8. And my SL is at 50, 31.2. No, hourly in 8 minutes. Yeah, I understand.
Here goes nothing.
You live?
Yeah, let's try this out. Okay.
You're forcing a buy. I'll see. If this position hits a sell, then yeah, at that point I'll assume that I'm forcing a buy.
Alright.
New setup.
New setup, ZZ? Let me see. Let me see ZZ's new setup.
Nah, it's just cooked low key, but hey. Who got winning the Super Bowl? I know nothing about Super Bowl.
Why don't you, bro?
I don't know, bro. This is... Wait, what? Nah, this is my account. What do you mean?
Damn, Z looking.
She got a haircut.
Bro, he looking
What hip?
mighty. Brother, I mean, it's still
Alright,
good
shut
luck
up.
to you, bro. I mean, again, that's what you see. That's what you see, dude.
Welcome back. Alright, what the fuck are we doing today? Let's actually look at the charts. Oh, fuck.
What the hell? Dude, I don't know how people use bookmark, dude. Yeah, try bookmark.
It's every time I've tried using it, I see the move happening, and then it's like after a couple seconds, like it shows it. I'm like, oh yeah, that was so useful. I've not liked it. I know some people that could read that shit like it's a fucking I don't know what, but I just don't. I don't understand it, to be honest. I think it
What
complicated
platform are
trading
you
for me.
using? Tradify. Same thing.
Why not wait for the 1 hour? I'm expecting the volume actually. The 1 hour. I want that volume, but again, it's risky, so it's fine. I'm not really worried about it. It's evals, so yeah.
Alright, fuck silver. Let me link these two. So I can watch. That's only
1 hour.
Look at the hourly time frame here.
Downtrend it is. Yeah, we'll see. If we get a good break, like a solid fucking volume break, then I'll take it for a short. But I just, yeah.
Where you at? I'm at a hotel. I'm at a hotel right now.
I'm just not seeing the volume. That's all. Like, again, 40 ticks here.
Are you on longs?
Yeah.
Dubs.
My God, is that ZZ?
Dubs.
That is easy.
Hey, ZZ. Z, unmute me, you bad
Wait,
boy.
what?
Why didn't you say hi to me, bro?
What? You're not muted.
Why didn't? Oh, okay. Why didn't you say hi to me, bro?
I did, but you didn't hear me.
Oh.
You had my volume low because I think.
Oh, okay. All right. I didn't know you were getting on, bro. How's your vacation?
I always wanted a
trip going?
vacation in Oregon. Said nobody. Oh no, it's funny. On God though, on God, low key.
I got you, Zane. I got you. Just give me a sec. See, this one guy in chat said you're the shittiest BMW driver that he's ever seen.
I know.
That might be true. But
I know. But guess what? I can afford one.
Damn, he said he could
Damn.
afford one and you can't, bro.
Damn, he said at least he got a BMW. Fuck. Shit.
How you hitting from outside the box when you can't even get in? Huh?
Damn, he said of
Alright,
course
sure.
you could afford it, but still shitty at driving it.
Okay. Doesn't matter, bro. Sweat. Right now I'm driving a Porsche, so not even a BMW.
Damn, he said he got a Porsche now, bro.
Yo, Z, stop it, bro.
Said he's gonna ruin the reputation of Porsche drivers too. Damn.
That's fine. It's already ruined. They got nothing. They got no speed, nothing. It's just the looks. So,
I like
do you
Ferrari
look
way
different?
better.
Good different? Bad different?
Said don't launch control the Porsche.
I just saw your TikTok, Z.
Why are you going live on YouTube? Because it's too much. I have one laptop. If I
Why do
had another
people like,
screen, I would have.
even if he is renting it, what's the
Just too much.
problem about renting a car like that? Like personally, I'm genuinely speaking, okay? Personally, okay? I would never fucking buy a Lambo or something like that. I would just rent it because I could beat the fuck out of it and just move on and just return it back to the owner, and that's it. So that's just me though.
Type.
At least they're honest about renting.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You're not going to catch me buying a Porsche Carrera, bro. 911 Carrera.
You're not gonna see him LARPing one either. I'm just saying.
Unlike some people.
Exactly.
I kind of fuck with this, low key, but it would have been better if I had double screens. Can you guys hear the music on this?
I see. He said he can't drive. He's gonna fuck it up. Oh, he said race my Trackhawk. I'll smoke you. Damn, Z.
Wow. Fuck.
That shit's
Fucking
not even
track
gonna
off.
move.
Said that Porsche is so old.
That Porsche?
He said the only reason you have the F82
20.
is because of what is it? Because you can't afford the F82 CS. That's what he said. Damn.
Oh my god, bro.
Yo, I don't think he said that, bro.
I don't even want it, bro. F82?
Yeah, I don't think he said
Oh,
that,
F82 CS.
Yeah.
Oh, a CS. No, CS are dopes. It's just, I like a little bit more options.
He's saying the only reason why you bought an M4 is because you can't buy an M5
Damn.
or
You
G80.
sure you can type that fast?
Oh, bro, I wanted
that's
to take
50.
longs. Fuck. Hold up.
50 ticks
Maybe
here.
not.
Okay.
Wait,
What
what?
the fuck
Wait,
is
oh,
that
it's-
flip?
Oh, it's a new hourly.
That's
Yeah.
an hour.
There it goes. Yeah.
Oh,
Holy flip. Again, this could just trade down and I'm fine with that, but
This PA
Let's
is
see.
so ass, bro.
yeah, this
Thank
price
God
action
it's
is
not on.
dookie.
try to take that long to the highs here.
That was the exit for buys into sells. Hey, that's what you see, bro.
I'm taking longs here too. I'm trying out for longs. Even with that selling pressure, we're kind of holding the buys.
That's what I'm saying.
We
Like,
do
if we
break
get a
from
good
the
volume break,
downside here.
I'll take it. But
It's a good retest too off that same level that we got on the bottom. So let's see if we can book while we're in a hotel. Okay, so far so good. All right, we're up.
60
Holy
ticks.
shit. 100 ticks. Wait, what did you enter in?
entered in at 50, 43.8.
50.
50, 43.8.
43?
Yeah.
Oh, I got
43.8.
a 39 entry.
I wanted that. I wanted that entry. It's right
Oh,
there.
yeah,
I drew
wanted
it, but
39
yeah,
entry, yeah.
I couldn't get it. Motherfucking Trader View is like slow. 80 ticks here for
Oh my God,
anybody.
move my TP higher,
90
bro.
ticks.
What the fuck? Hold on.
100
Hold
ticks.
on, we're cooking. 160 here. What the fuck? Hold up. I might go on a vacation every single day.
We want a breakout of 69.2. That's what's really important right here. It's 120 ticks here. 130 ticks here. 150 ticks here.
break even on that trade, guys? Wanted to break the highs. Already created the bottom wick. I don't want to see it create like more. This pushing down. There's no point.
Move my stop starter to that low now. I don't want to see us break the 32s.
Hey, stop, you fucking fuck.
See if it holds it there. 165 ticks, 170
Move my
ticks,
CP even higher.
almost 200 ticks.
I'm at 200 ticks right now.
Damn.
222 ticks right now.
I'm at 170.
We break this
177.
high, I want to see a spike up. So. we
Why'd you
have
enter in the
higher
buys?
day.
As I said, I'm bullish. Like, a lot of people were talking shit, whatever the fuck. Again, I'm not hating against you. It's just you guys. Please do your thing. Please do your thing.
Okay, we have high of day. I want to see a break of high of day and a very strong
200
booster toss
ticks.
right there.
Silver's about to break high.
200 ticks.
250 ticks right here on that trade.
My stops can go break even on this. Now, there's no point of risking.
See you in the
We want to break
city.
out of this. If we don't break out of this, then I would not want to be in this because I really want to break out of this high. We should have a trade up to that high, break out of it. Even the 1,000 tick right here, we should break out of that high. So it looks like it's gonna dump. Yeah, bro. I think you should delete that comment. Right here. I want to break out of that high. So I want to break out of this. If it fails that high, then I would want to be out. So my stop loss is at break even now. Crazy flip here.
Not fucking round trip me here, bro. Holy. I got such a good entry on this. I don't want to get round tripped for that demand to just test it and go up.
I'll crash out because my stop loss is above that demand. Manipulation to the downside. Yeah, if you say so, bro.
Manipulation to your mom's house.
Whoa. Relax. What did he do?
Oh.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
hold up.
Alright, I'm out of break even on
No.
what? It just sold 4.
I'm still in.
What? Hey, yeah. Como lo ves? Como it's very not good. It's very
Still in
choppy
this.
or choppy.
Still hasn't kicked me out. But.
Como it took me out.
I might get stopped at break even.
Took me out of break
And
even
we're
for me.
stopped at break even, bro. Holy. What the fuck?
See, that selling aggression, that I would have been like, alright, this is a short for it. That selling aggression, that I would say, yeah, I mean, yes, I would
Oh,
short
just
it.
for it to go back up, gang.
How you know I'm Dominican, pa? Let's break even. See how the fills were. Of course, the fills are shit. They've never been good. تحكي إسباني؟ لا ما أحكي إسباني.
Over this.
Okay, why are you always giving
I
us
just
financial advice?
clapped.
I'm not.
10K payout, bro. Good shit.
Why'd you tail your profits? I pretty much just moved the stops to break even because since we didn't break out of this high, bro, There was no point for me to be holding into this long and waiting for it to break out of this high. Really wanted to break this high first before we do anything. Right here. So if we fail that, the aggression right here on the
My
sell,
mental's
that's
so
crazy.
fucking strong.
That'll be work.
Bro, I held that. Bro, that shit started giving me the drawdown, dude. I was like, fuck, I'm just gonna hold it. Real shit. Fucking held that the entire way, dude. I did not care. It's clean.
Okay. Well, we have an inside break to the downside on this hourly, so.
Is it? Yeah.
But we
it
have
is.
a 3 on this 32, so let's look for a retracement back up to kind of maybe take a shorts. But
Have you ever tried Lucid? I'll never try Lucid, bro. I'll never try Lucid again. After what they did, never again. Never.
it's a downtrend. Yeah, I don't know what you're
Yo.
like, on, but like.
Get me to 50k followers, guys. I'm literally 100 away. 100 away, yo. What did Lucid do? They hold me, bro. Never again.
Let's see how we react right here. I might take a short. Depends.
Like up, guys. Follow if you're new. We are 100 away from 50k followers. I'll do a giveaway.
This 1 minute breaks to the downside. I'm gonna enter for sells. Okay, I'm in for sells here. Stops above the supply. I'm gonna risk 500 on this.
That's a scary sell.
Try to sells.
Why you use candles speed or slow? What? I don't use. There's no preference for me. Like I wish. I mean, the faster the better. But I have the premium subscription with TradingView, and it's still slow. Actually, not even the premium. I have the fucking maxed out one. Like, what's my plan on them? It's the ultimate, and somehow it's still shit.
I'm trying my best, guys, to. Oh my god, to alert this for you guys. Holy shit. Hold up. It's going. Without you.
What's your selling pips? I'm not in anything. I'm not in anything. Not in anything. Buy? We're gonna wait. I'm gonna have to wait, Boski. I'm reading this wrong, so. Or not wrong, it's just the sense of like, alright, it's not giving us the buying, it's not giving us the selling, so I'm gonna wait. What are you watching for? For a setup, at the moment the 15 is just 3-bar. The only setup I see is the hourly break of a 2 down, just like Z's mentioned. And that's the only thing, so it'd be a potential of that, basically.
I'm in shorts. Yeah, I'm in shorts for this on this. Yeah, I'm in shorts here. I want to see this continue going down. Full TP is at 0112.1. SL is at 049.7. My entry is at 037.2. 60 ticks right now on this position.
So right over here. He entered in somewhere around here. And then this is TP.
037.2.
37.2. Boom, right there. Stop loss is where is he? 40.
49.7.
49.7. and then TP is all the way down to here, pretty much. 12 point what? 12.1 you said?
12.1.
I'm gonna just put 12 for now because I can't put it all the way there, but yeah. This is what his position is. I'm not in anything right now at the moment. Taking shorts now, I'm not in anything. I'm not in anything. I'm just waiting. This is just a projection. If anybody is on TikTok and tells you about a projection tool that it's an actual trade, you need you need to consider some things, bro. Your brain power is one of them. Your IQ is the second one. 3, who you're giving your mind to. 4, your IQ again, one more time, because it matters. You gotta double check. 3 times is a charm, so make sure you do that 3 times.
Are you at Z? I'm in a hotel right now. Chasing, shake my head, sure. What up? What up, guys?
Mark card decline vibes. Oh no. I got you. I'll get you the down pipes.
I don't like how this level is holding up. I don't like how the buys are holding up here.
Trust, it will sound insane. It's the same engine as the C63. It's the same exact engine. It will sound fucking crazy. It's the 4.0. All the Mercedes, all the V8s have that shit. And that shit would sound crazy as fuck. Can you make 10K in 1 second?
What's the confluence?
You gotta be joking. I don't know if you're trolling or what. I don't know if you're trolling or what. Some people genuinely think that a projection tool is an entry. Like you have this guy, original name. He really thinks I'm in a short right now. It's a projection tool. Your IQ is really high. Oh my god. Oh my god, you cannot be real. Do you guys really like believe that a projection tool is a trade? How many people in here believe this is how many people in here think I'm in a short right now? Throw a thumbs up. But there's no way that I refuse to believe. I refuse to believe that people think that projection tool is an entry. Oh god. It's just the projection tool, bro. It's fuck. You're always going against the trend. Oh my god, bro. What? How do you believe that, bro? Turbo's so easy to rage bait, yo. All right. You're in a short? No, I'm not. I'm not in a short. I am. This is just. You know what, Z? I'm sorry. You're gonna have to show them your own position, bro. I'm not doing that. I'm not. See, I just exited. I break even. You cannot be real. SL gonna hit. On what? I'm not in anything. Bro is trading with Casper. Oh god, bro, it's a freaking it's a ghost position, that's it.
You're in a different state? Yeah, I am. It's longs. Take longs, dude. Fuck. Who's stopping you from taking longs?
Is it worth me keep trading if I'm not profitable and only make 1K a month? Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Just keep going, bro. 1K a month, you're actually doing really well.
They give you your account back to you or no?
Nope.
Trade?
Nope.
Damn.
Nothing. You could scale from 1K. If someone can consistently make $1,000 a month from trading, you could scale it up to 5,000, eventually 10,000, eventually 20,000 and 30,000 and so on and so on and so on. What matters is just being consistent in that.
We're in profits again. I like how we held up that level. We had an inside on the 1 minute. push down. I don't fuck with this push up though at all. This needs to continue
Yeah, I was
down
just
and break
showing
out. You know
ZZ's
what I'm saying?
trade, bro. I was just showing like, oh, he's in this. If anybody wants to enter in, he's in that. I'm just gonna wait for a little bit before I take another position.
So already made my profits on the day on this top step account. Ugh, fucking hell. We
Yeah,
made
back. I'm
200
gonna
on
use
the
the
day.
bathroom.
We took 2 trades. Uh, yes, 2 trades, and we made our money on the day on that account. Here. We're gonna get stopped. All right, we're out of that. Let's take these executions out. Here, get stopped out. That's fine. That is okay. Kind of consolidating at this level. Could say we got faked out by this 30 and this hourly. We were in longs in originally, but it kind of flipped again on us. There's a potential entry for us for the shorts up here too. We can wait for that. And see how we react off this 1 minute demand. This was kind of a risky, unnecessary trade to take because it was on the 30 seconds. Who the fuck trades on the 30 seconds? But, but it is what it is. It's fine. Right, somebody's laughing. Who's laughing? Who's giggling over there? The trend of gold is an uptrend. Yeah, I know. We did try the longs in the beginning, but those did not kind of work out. So we're kind of waiting. I'm waiting on to see how we're gonna react around this demand, this supply. If we kind of get some seller stepping in, then I'll try it out. I'll start
Yo,
with a lighter size position, then size in it.
Z, did you see the new contracts you have to sign with Top Step?
I saw it. Yeah, I signed it right away, dude.
Good boy.
I had to. Yeah, I had to. As soon as I saw it, I didn't even read it. I was like, okay, I'm signing. I was like, oh, it's okay. In my head, I saw it. I knew like what it was for. But I was like, oh, maybe they'll move me to live. Maybe they'll move me to live. Let me just sign it. uh,
Bro is finally on TradingView. TPT trades. What do you mean, bro? You know what happened, bro. You know what happened, gang.
hey, you would sell out for 90K too, gang. Relax. Okay, I like how we're reacting around this demand.
Guys, if you guys want to tune in on the YT, I'm on there too. It has low delay too. So I'm working on a video. I'm still editing it, but I'm working on a video. It's gonna be coming out. Just me driving the car. There's gonna be 5 accounts hidden in that video. So whoever gets it, gets it. 50K selects. Yeah, bro, fuck Tops Up. Honestly, dude. Honestly.
Okay.
I'm switching to fully
Can wait for
Tradify and
this.
TPT. Those 2 firms I'm literally got a full port. Only those 2.
Okay. I want to see a retracement back up to these levels for me to take a trade on those shorts. But if we don't, then it's gonna have to go without me.
Is he live? Yes, he's live. Yeah, wait, you're still in the trade, Z? Or no?
No, it took me out. I got stopped out on it.
Which video? It will be on YouTube. It'll be just a video and there'll be codes hidden throughout my drive as I'm driving in the car. You guys will see hidden codes here and there.
I know. I don't want to rush it though. I know what's going
Bad
on. I don't
Bunny?
want to rush
What?
it though.
What did he do? Is this alpha? No, this is Tradify. 15. I'm gonna have to wait for 5 to pretty much. Okay, well, actually, it is giving good. Just an insanely wide stop, honestly. For a push up, oh, damn. Yeah, no, I'm not taking that. Silver. What is silver doing? Yeah. That's massive. That is massive. Gold, I'm gonna try to long it again here. What? Why is my stop loss over there? Okay. I would need
I just wish I
15
could trade my
contracts.
toss-up accounts, bro.
What do you mean?
Wish I could trade my toss-up accounts. So. Makes no sense, dude. Just take away the hedge, dude. I don't even care. Bro.
Sell, brother? No, I'm good, brother. I'm good for now, brother. I am good for now. Gold is... Alright. What? Fuck, I really want my stop loss to be below that low, but that's fine. We're trading into this demand. I want to see what price does here. Four hour has no wick. Yeah, I get that, bro. I see that. I guess 12 contracts would not be bad. So we want to break out of this high, push up higher. Alright, I am in a buy on gold here. I'm looking for a move up. Again. This will be my last position just because this is my third trade for a long at this point. If price doesn't push up here, it just stops me out that I'm done for the day, to be honest. 50, 43.1. Stop loss is at 50, 31.9. We're not getting the sell that we want, so I'm seeing this for a move up. Silver is also really high up right now. Sniping through high a day. Gold needs to fall through. How many contracts am I in? I am in with 12 contracts. 12, that is risking 1,300 for 3,300. I don't even need that much. I need 3,000 and
Waiting before
150 right over here.
I'm just gonna wait a little
It's
bit.
fine. Perfect, right there. Stop loss right below the slow. If we break out of this, then I'm going to be out, and that's it. We're getting a trade down here. Silver is dumping too a little bit. Lose again. Yeah, that'll be my second loss, and I'll be done for the day. We shall see. Yeah, if it breaks that 15, or if it breaks the 5 actually to the downside, then I would want to be out. Whoa,
Look at silver.
there's the
from
5.
my
If it
phone
breaks
and
that
see
5
what
that downside,
silver
then I want to be
is
out. I want to be in
doing.
this for now.
Dumping to You're gonna watch the Super Bowl? No, I'm not into
There
that.
should be buys in this area. Yeah, if they don't step up and bring price higher, then at that point I would want to be out, and that's it. Like, that's that. But I'll be done for the day if it just keeps, destroying me. Be 2 losses, and that's it.
5 minute that broke inside to the downside. What the fuck?
No top wick on the 5 too.
Bro, how is it trade if I daily pay out? I'm funded with them. Is it good, bro? It's amazing. you'll get
Gold
payouts
is a lot
in
weaker
the
than
same
silver
day,
is.
bro.
Silver is a lot stronger than gold. With these pushes that we're getting with silver, it's actually knifing through high a day over and over. Gold is just struggling with that high. But do I see it for a move down? Not yet, to
Amazing
be
for the
honest.
Daniel like top step. Right if I
Not
would
yet,
never.
to be honest.
There's no reason for them to do that. They have paid, I think, I said 4 million.
It is
live
for you.
traders.
Or what Tradify has?
Spotify. Yeah. I think they
Okay,
have
Tradify.
paid 40 million just for them for their live account people. The people on their live accounts.
Bro, Tradify actually like, cares about their customers, bro.
I am
Yeah, they
waiting
do.
for something. This 5 doesn't hold up, then I mean, that's that, but I'll be done for the day personally. Funding pips is the best. I don't know about that, but I don't trade Forex to be honest, but because of the way that these firms with Forex, they could manipulate data for you to see some things that are different, so I don't recommend anybody trades Forex, but you know, they have the spread, you have a lot of things to be worried about with Forex. I just genuinely don't think it's the right thing to do. In my opinion, but again, I could be wrong about that. If you feel like your system works with Forex better than futures, then just do that. Found it easier for me to trade futures than to trade Forex, so. Setup is bad. It's what we could work with. Honestly, the 5-minute breaking to the downside is not getting enough volume for us to push down. Break this 5 minutes to the downside this whole wick, then I would want to be out. That's pretty much more than enough for me to give in room wise. Looking for a push up break out of this high again. Still failing that. So if we stop that on this, then I'm done for the day. At that point.
This laptop actually might
Alright, I'm
not
out
be
of that.
bad actually.
Alright, well, I'm done for the day. This is just not moving in a direction at all. We keep getting a buy up, followed by a sell, followed by a buy up, followed by a sell, and then watch it fucking skyrocket from here. And it's like, what the fuck is this, you know? It's not getting the craziest false through, so it's 2 stop losses for me, 1 break even, and that's it. Silver is moving. It's not even like crazy moves, but it is pushing to high day a little bit smoother than gold is. It is breaking through highs a little bit easier than gold is. But again, nah.
This
No,
is
I
the close
wouldn't
of the
try.
30.
Look at this shit, bro. Let's see the stream. Z, can you stream or no?
No, I can't stream on Discord.
No.
No.
Can't stream on
so-
there. He's gonna get off live and start hedging. Yeah, bro. Whatever you say, bro. Just say you're unprofitable. It's okay. It's okay to not know how to trade, bro. It's completely normal. It's completely fine. No big deal. Again. Yeah, you got your accounts back? No, bro. I swear it's about to shoot to the sky. Yeah, bro.
So we're pushing up.
So as gold, you know, it came down to my stop, and here it is back on my entry. So I'm just not gonna force anything. Damn, you think you'll get them? No, bro. Nope. They took that shit so far. They took that shit, and that's it, you know. But we'll see. Again, it's a lot of people that got this email. It's not just me. It's many people that got the email. So I want to make sure that, you know, we get to see a solution for that. But yeah. I'm using Tradify right now. I'll be just using Tradify to be honest. Z, are you seeing anything? Or are you taking anything? No?
I'm just seeing it for the shorts, honestly. I want to see it for continuity, but I got stopped out earlier on it. But that's the only thing I'm seeing, and it's just like you said, it's not falling through on any setups. Like, yeah.
It's not.
Earlier I saw the push down from the top. I had it marked out, but still, it's like it didn't give me the retracement that I wanted for the short. And now I don't know why we pushed from that level.
It takes a
This
low
candle's
and then it
pretty
pivots.
good for the shorts.
Like, look at this. Look at this shit.
But like this is a good like candle for the short to continue. I don't want to see this go up anymore. Like
That's the thing. It's gonna take
if
this
I
low and
was
then
in
it's
the
gonna push
shorts,
right back up, just like it's been doing. It takes a low, it pushes right back up. It takes a low, pushes right back up. Takes a low, pushes right back up. Take a low, push back up. So, no clear move on why or where they're moving. No buying, no selling. It's just kind of in a chop range. So I'm not gonna force any more positions. 2 losses, 1 break even, and that's it. That's done for me. I would rather just be done.
okay.
Price has to move in the direction it wants to move in. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's why I'm not forcing it. That's why I said, like, if it's not giving me that follow through on the longs, then I might as well just stop. Hey bro, please accept my request. And no, man, I'm good. Tonight is not the night for the trade. Maybe, yeah.
So that's not too unlucky. Right?
Asia servers, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Bro, love you too, bro. Alright.
You have your phone next to you too.
Yeah. What do you mean? Bro. Let's see. Are we gonna full port accounts on Wednesday? No, I don't do that, bro. Full porting CPI, whatever the fuck. I mean, if you want a full port, just fucking full port. You know what I mean? I don't do that though. I've seen a lot of influencers do that. They're like, oh, get ready for full ports, whatever the fuck. To be honest with you, just trade. Like, if you're gonna be aggressive with your accounts, you're gonna size up and be aggressive with them. Just be aggressive with them, and that's it. You don't need to trade heavier because of CPI or whatever. Just trade them the same, go in heavy, and move on from that. And that's it.
This is what I wanted from the shorts earlier. This is the kind of volume I wanted. But like the question is it gonna fucking hold up? Like this was my TP right here earlier on the shorts.
That's what I'm saying. Taking lows, so it took the 15-minute
512.
lows. Watch. It took the 15-minute lows. It's gonna pivot back up. Give it a sec.
I might take shorts right here to continue going down. It is fucking risky though.
It is. Because it's gonna buy right back up. It's gonna be fucking annoying.
I'm gonna take it right there. I like this inside break. I want to see a break more to the downside. I like this inside that we created, like how we rejected from that. I want to see a break and continue from that. Let me see how silver is moving.
It just needs to find direction, guys.
Silver.
If it finds direction, that's completely fine. Whether you're in buys or in sells. But it's just, I'm not gonna trade this.
Hella risky for that continuation, but I'm willing to give it a try because I do like how it's kind of setting up. Okay. There's a little push down. I'm kind of scared of that level right here that I have marked out. There you go. It bounced literally off of it. W, good shit. What the fuck? Is it gonna keep dropping? We'll see. Okay. It breaks this low, move stops to break even. Okay.
Silver's breaking it too.
Break even.
Silver's breaking it too, so.
Come on. Let's get that drop. Let's get that drop. Very interesting levels here. Just be careful.
5-11 longs, maybe.
We have a bunch of demand zones.
I'm not trading for the rest of the day
Bunch of
volatility,
levels
bro.
right here.
It's just not worth it. There's not direction that has been picked. It's
Okay,
just
nice.
chopping. Oh my god, what a dump.
Nice. Okay.
OTE hit, just shit it on it, no? Didn't it just destroy that
I don't
OTE,
wanna
whatever
fucking
the fuck?
exit, bro. I don't wanna exit this bullshit.
I think it just destroyed it, but I could be wrong.
Come on.
Never mind, bye.
Breaks that level.
Halftime show affected the
Breaks
market.
that level right here. Then I'm moving.
During the
down,
halftime, they
bro.
started buying and selling positions. That's why it affected the market.
Breaks the lows. I'm gonna move my stops down. My TP down.
All right. Let's see.
Because I like the aggression. I like the volume for the sells. And silver is dropping like crazy.
Silver is dumping, yeah.
I just wanted to break this so I can move my stops here. And trail it. Come on. Show me that dump. Come on.
What were you thinking with that TP? Break out of this whole consolidation range, bro. Just to break out of this high. So didn't happen. That's fine.
There you go. There it is. There you go.
It's just it's not my day. That's it.
Stick to your TP. Don't be greedy. Shut the fuck up. I do what I want. Fuck. Who are you to tell me what to do?
Don't tell me what to do.
Damn, I was fucking smack TP right there, bitch.
That was
Don't
that.
leave me.
Family. Yes.
Do whatever I want is valid. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Well, it didn't end well. Okay. And what about it?
This market making me sleepy, yo.
Karma. Dun, da, da, da. Dun, da, 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 da.
You are the most profitable person in the world. I don't know about all that, bro. There's definitely more people that are profitable. There's a lot of people that are profitable in this world, bro. Trading is really not as hard as people make it be. You know, I think a lot of people make it complicated just for the reason because they literally make it extremely difficult. But in my opinion, you could really make it easy for yourself. Again, just controlling your own emotions. A lot of trading is done emotionally, just mental. It's a feeling you get that, oh, price is going to go up. It's a lot of discretion that comes into it. It's a lot of your feel, kind of. Anybody that tells you, oh, my trading is a system and blah, 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 just fucking throw that shit out the window, bro. Because again, a lot of it's going to be built through discretion. A lot of it is your discretion. It's what you built with the market, how long you've been trading, what you understand, what you know. All this shit matters. That's how you build it up. You can't just jump into this and not, oh yeah, I'm him. I'm going to build up a system that is undefeated. It doesn't work that way. That's the reality. A lot of your emotions need to be managed. What happened with Apex? Did you ever get a payout? I requested 10K last month from them. I requested 10K. Here, I'll show you. Go to my bank. Deposits. See all transactions. ACH credit, I guess. That's what it is, right? And then Apex. Okay, I don't want to show the amount that I have in my account because it's just I don't want to do that. But we could do the below it. Just don't talk about them as much. I don't trade them live as much. I just kind of keep it to me. But yeah. Here it is. This is the screenshot I just took right now, by the way. This is from Apex. And that's top step
Today
top
I'm done.
above it, right there.
W's.
That's top step, and then Apex
Discipline.
right
Move
below.
on. Go longs here. Not here. I can't. Can't just go longs with no levels or anything.
Why do you like Apex? I think they're a great firm. I don't think anything's wrong with them. You just have to kind of deal with the drawdown that comes with Apex. If you understand how to use it and you understand how to manage it, then you should be fine. But these are like the payouts from the past months, you could say. You can see the dates on there too. This is the same exact screenshot, just made it a little bit better.
Watch next trade, Herman. We're going opposite. He is not trading.
Are you in a short, Z?
Me?
Yeah, are you in shorts?
No, I'm not in anything right now.
Fuck, enter in shorts so I can turn longs,
No.
bro. Enter in shorts so I can go in longs, bro.
Okay.
Alright, but if Z enters in longs, then I'm gonna enter in shorts, alright. Like what kind of dumb like your brain is not braining, bro. Like your brain power, you need to study it. Let me see, hold on. Oh my god, wait, hold on. This shows 1, 2, 3, 4 payouts from Top Step, 1 from Apex, 5, 6, 1, 2. Alright, fuck, I'll just show it. I don't really care. But
Wait, that shit didn't tap me in.
it is what it is. People hate me. Whatever.
For rejects here.
These are all, you can see that this is from my account again. All from Apex and Top Step. So last month, $10,000 on Apex. That's 10. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 payouts from Top Step. Phone upside down, haha, that's fine. No big deal, bro. So you got
we react around this demand.
1, 2, 3,
around this supply
4,
right here.
5, 6, 7. 7 payouts from Top Step, 1 payout from Apex. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Did Apex block gold? No, they just restricted it, just like every other firm, though. $45 bands. 45 bandos. If is ChatGPT reliable, knowing win rates, strat, giving details? Someone please explain. Oh yeah. I wouldn't trust ChatGPT, bro. Like again, a lot of it discretion. Just have to kind of build it up.
ChatGPT for trading?
I don't. That's what I'm saying. Like ChatGPT is not made for that, but yeah, it does. Yeah. What's your honest opinion about Apex and how can people request payouts? Again, with Apex, guys, when you're trading with Apex, you can't trade 1 or 2 accounts and that's it. It's not like Top Step where you could request 5K and that's it. Apex, the reason why their accounts are cheap is for the fact for you to go and spend $200 on fucking 20 accounts, okay? Not one account. You're supposed to buy in bulk. And when you trade them, Apex is a firm that you want to copy trade with. Top Step, Tradeify, these firms you want to actually go with firm like that as a trade at a time. But with Apex, you want to actually copy trade them all in one instead of just one at a time. That's how I would go about it personally. When I requested the 10K payout, it was across 10 accounts, $1,000 each. So it makes it easier for me to just do that because the trailing drawdown is what's annoying there. You get out of that, you just get $1,000 in profit. Boom, you request 10 payouts and that's it. So that's the beauty of Apex. But again, who am I to speak? I just have fucking whatever. So you don't copy trade your Top Step accounts? No.
No, garbage.
What year is ZZ Porsche? ZZ rented the Porsche so he could LARP it.
Dubs.
That was the whole intention behind it, bro. And you fell for the rage bait.
Yeah, of course.
Z, make sure you drop the mentorship, bro. Please.
Okay, I got you. How much should I drop it for?
10,000 each. I think that's.
15 games.
10,000?
Let's see how much. How much is he? How much is he?
How much are you guys willing to pay? Let's ask the viewer.
How many accounts do you have with Apex? Just 10 right now with them individually, but yeah. No, with Apex I don't trade them individually. I trade them all together. But with Top Step I do trade them individually. Yes. Again, the reason why Apex is cheap, it's just cheap. You know, obviously it's the cheaper accounts. Use any code if you guys want to use code EQNX. You guys can do that too, but they're cheap accounts. That's the good part about them. They're really cheap accounts. So the thing is, keep in mind they're cheap to open up the evals, but the activation fee is a lot of money. So yeah, everybody wants 20 accounts on Apex, so you have to activate all of them, and you're like, fuck, that's $2,500 down the drain. So it's a lot of money. In my opinion, just stick with, like, if you're barely getting the, you know, the ball rolling when it comes to trading, daily payouts is your goal. TPT is good, don't get me wrong, it's good, but you
What
have
should I
trailing
start with
drawdown.
on Tradify? Start, bro. Select accounts. That's the only accounts you need right now.
Is it true you're going to close
Select
premium
accounts,
soon?
daily payouts.
Angel, so we're not closing premium. Like, we're not gonna, you know, close it all out for everybody. No, the idea is that we just limit it to the people that are only in there. We want to keep the people that are inside the premium in there, and that's it. We don't want to have new people join because it's gonna be just too many people, and we want to start doing more of group sessions with you guys to teach you guys a little bit some things more. We do more kind of activities, bring you guys up, teach you guys more of a one-on-one feel. The more people we have, the more it's just gonna get crazy, and you know, the less people we have, the more control we feel. So it's just better. TPT is awesome for the people that are asking about Take Profit Trader. It's an awesome firm. I think it's great. I think there's nothing wrong with them as a firm. They seem pretty well. They did put restrictions on gold and silver, obviously, so that's that. But at the same time, I think Tradify is better for the daily payouts than TPT if you're a beginner. If you are a beginner, you are better off using Tradify because you don't have end of day drawdown, or you don't have trailing drawdown, you have end of day drawdown. So I don't like the intraday drawdown. I just like the end of day just because I could kind of do my own thing. If the position goes back to break even, I'm fine. At least I didn't lose out on the drawdown, etc. So I would say use it select, get yourself some payouts, get consistent with Tradify. After that, go ahead and pivot into other firms. No big deal. Yeah. What about Lucid?
I'm waiting for a setup. I want to see.
When Lucid sends me the address of the guy, I'm more than glad to go on Tradify. I mean on Lucid, sorry. On Lucid. Lucid, I am waiting for the day that they drop the addy for that guy that said deal with it. The moment they do that, I will definitely try them out as a firm. I just want to know his address.
He actually typed out deal with it.
He legit said, I don't know what to do for you. Please deal with it.
No way. What kind of
Drop the addy. That's it. I'm reaching out to him and I'm saying, yo, I couldn't place a stop loss because I don't know what was happening with Project X that day. Everybody, even Z, couldn't place a stop loss for TP at that time with Top Step. It was a whole Project X thing. I'm telling him, yo, this is what happened. And I have a screen recorded. I'll send him the screen recording. Bro says, that might seem upsetting, whatever, something that might seem upsetting, but Project X is something that we cannot deal with on our end. Please make sure you deal with it. Motherfucker, who you talking to, bro? You know who you talking to, bro.
It's end of day. On select accounts, it's end of day drawdown, guys.
I got so heated, bro. I broke my monitor. It's literally on the floor. Where is it? Hold on.
On the eval, so we need 3 days to pass the eval. So 3 days to pass an eval, which is pretty easy. I thought it would be rough in the beginning. While I was like,
Y'all see this monitor right here?
It's like, no, it's easy.
It's gone. I can't use it anymore. This monitor right here, I cannot use it anymore. I had it up here. I had it up top as a third monitor. I can no longer use this monitor. I found the wire after 2 months of having this monitor. I didn't have a wire for it, and I found the wire. And that day,
You found it?
this monitor was gone. 1 second. Started fucking tweaking out, bro. Like, what is he talking about? Deal with it. Bro said, deal with it. Motherfucker, what? I'm gonna deal with you, bro. Pull up right now.
I have a
Top Step scam. I'm literally going to report them if they don't fucking fix it. Let's blame Top Step for that. Yeah, what I'm saying. What? I said deal with that motherfucker. What? Who you think you're talking to, bro?
That's literally his job.
That's what I'm saying. Bro's job is to help me, and he's saying this. Say, deal with it, bro. Motherfucker, you know what? Where do you live, bro? What's your address, bro? Like, send that shit, please. Chargeback? Yeah, I would, but I mean, they're not gonna give that, so it is what it is. Yo, Daryl, or whatever the fuck your name is, bro. If you're watching this, bro, drop daddy, bro. Whatever the fuck your name is. You know who you are, bro. He literally said, I've seen you on TikTok before. He literally said that. And motherfucker. Just count your days, bro. Just count your days, bro. That day's coming where your address gets leaked, some shit. I'll be the first one to come say hi. I'll bring you a cake. Or Zizi's favorite, ice cream.
What are these candles, bro?
Oh God, what the fuck are these candles? Turbo, write your state's attorney general about Top Step they obligated to make an inquiry to the company in question. Yeah, but yeah, that's not going to help, bro. With Top Step, they have a lot of things. I read through the contracts. I already sent it to my accountant and lawyers, and they're not going to do anything about that. They can't do anything about that. It's not going to happen. They have too many protections in line. Zizi, I need a car advice. I've never purchased a car like this. I want a 2026 M3 CS. How much do you think I should put down? Or turbo? Depending on your credit, obviously, depending on the car, I would not recommend you go for a 2026 M3 CS. There's no point. I would say go for an older one. Just same shit. Really, no differences at all. You should not buy new. At the end of the day, like, just go check it out, your car. Like, actually go see it in person, see how it is. And should be fine. But
That's exactly why I didn't size in too heavy on it.
I would say go with more of a 2022 CS. They're a lot cheaper and same thing, literally. You still get the bucket seats, you still get everything. Was your M4 new or older model? It's the F82 version, so it's the previous model. There's the G series now. The F series is the previous one. But it's the last year model that they dropped in that car. So it's the 2020. That is the last year that they produced that car. And it has literally, like, even the stickers on the side from the doors, it's literally right there because of how clean it is. It's so clean. Such a clean interior.
Nah, this is fake.
The person that had the car, like, took well good care of it. And I'm going to make sure I fuck it up really well. I'm going to make sure I fuck that car up, bro. I'm not him. I'm sorry. I can't take care of the car now, bro. I'm going to ruin it.
Yeah, so shit.
Start a clash action against Top Step. I have some people that are, like, kind of already in the process of getting sued by Top Step, and I know someone that is suing Top Step. So I'm waiting and seeing what that does for them. Would it help in any way or not? You know, and we could decide from there. Top Step denied me 800. Crazy work, bro. That's tragic. Crazy work, and I'm not surprised, dude. To be completely honest with you, I'm not surprised. We take any more trades? No, at the moment, no. I don't see anything, and I don't think I want to trade this. This is just chopped, bro. For a Sunday, this is horrible, honestly. For a Sunday, this is horrible. Usually Sundays we move. So you got a gem, yeah. It's really clean, but yeah. Damarotelt. I don't remember how to pronounce your name. I would honestly say go for like a 2022, 23 year model.
I ordered filled this.
Same price.
I ordered filled this
Here,
instead
I'll
of
show you.
limit. I ordered filled instead of limit. Whatever. It's
Man,
okay.
moving clean. Thank you, thank you.
It's fine. It's fine. I wanted a limit, but it's fine.
And an M3 CS, like, dude, you're gonna 2024 is $112,000. I bet you if you go try to look at one that is a 2026, it's gonna be in the 180 at cheapest. And it's like, yeah, I don't know.
Nah, it's crazy. Watch it play out.
What would you upgrade
I
to
literally
next?
want to put a limit buy down here.
The only
But
car I
shit.
would upgrade to next has to be a Porsche. It just
Hold
has to
up.
be a Porsche.
I might be onto something here.
It just has to be.
God's plan on Nah, this hits. I'm
Oh my
on.
god. Oh my
I'm
god.
running with it.
911 turbo is the goal. I think a GT2 or a GT3, those two are like on my top of the list right now, just because of the handling that they have. It's just amazing. But I think that's the only car that I would upgrade to next. I have the Benz, I have I have the BMW. I've enjoyed them. I think they're fun, and I think they'll always be fun. We'll just have to see. Z, can you stream or no? Doesn't let you. Gonna try it at least, maybe see if it will.
Literally fry my shit. I'll try.
Okay, try it out. If it starts lagging up, just let me know. I could pivot. But yeah, I think that's the only thing that I would go into is pretty much a Porsche. That's the only car that I would upgrade to next. There's no point of getting. There's no point of getting other cars. There's no point. I was thinking of an M5 CS, but Z convinced me out of it actually. I was really considering an M5 CS, but no. Urus? No. Bro, there is so many better cars than a Urus. I don't understand why people buy Uruses so much. I don't understand what's the hype about them. There is way better options than a Urus. An X5M is 10,000 times better than a Urus. Better speed, better comfort. You're only buying a Urus because it's a Lamborghini logo. That's it.
Stops me out here. I am done for the day. Cause why the fuck? What the hell? Are you telling me this 4 hours is flipped?
Basically, that's insane.
Alright, bro.
A Urus is hard. How you guys think a Urus is hard, bro? I don't know. Like, I love cars, yo, but that's not it.
I wanted this demand right here.
Overpriced RSQ8. Literally an overpriced RSQ8. I would rather buy the RSQ8 than buy the Urus. Or I would rather buy the X5M than that. Uruses are not tough, bro. Like, they're like the most basic. Now, like before, it used to be the G-Wagons. G-Wagon used to be the basic businessman car. Now the basic businessman car is a Urus. Like, if you just own a business, go fucking lease one. Don't even buy one. Just go lease one. And that's a whole write-off. For the people that don't know, if you own an LLC and it is getting money through it, you can go lease a Urus and you will literally write off the whole entire car. You know how the lease is, for example, you're paying, let's just say, I don't know, $50,000 in the whole year. You're paying $50,000 for 10,000 miles or whatever the fuck. Whatever the lease agreement is. You're not writing off the lease agreement. You're writing off the whole entire vehicle. The value of the car you're writing off. So that 300 grand, that's the whole thing. That's the whole thing you're writing off. So as a business owner, yes, it's a smart decision to go with that. A Urus is dope. But nothing can beat a Porsche or a fucking anything when it comes to, like, if you have money, bro, just go buy a fucking sports car. Go buy a sports car, bro.
This is just crazy.
It doesn't have to be a Porsche. It could be anything. Mercedes, BMW, fucking
If I was right, bro.
Porsches, fucking. What else? What else is goated? Anything. Well, I'm getting a Mazda Miata and Cabrio shit. Come on, bring that Miata. There are Matthews in here too. What up, Matt?
I'm gonna take it for the day. Let's go. Oh.
Mustang Shelby. I would not buy a Mustang, bro. No. It has to be a Mercedes, BMW. You have Porsche. You have Audi. Some, not all. Some, very occasional, but Audi, it's never been my cup of tea. Yeah. Mercedes, best sounding engines. BMW, best performing engines, I would say. Porsche, handling, best. BMW is not ass, bro. It's pretty good. I need to get a loan for turbo. Damn, dude. S65 is so hard. Yeah, it's tough. I'm not gonna lie. Benz and GT. There you go. Alfa Romeos, no. What do you think about 720 and McLaren 720? 765 is definitely hands down way better. But 720S is not bad. I would say it's nice. I'm just not into the way that they look. They look like a dolphin. I don't know if that's just me, but they look like a dolphin. No, it's like the same thing with Audi R8s. R8s look like a dolphin, like that one black and white. What are they called? I'm not. I don't speak English. English is not my first language, yo. Whatever the fuck it's called. The black dolphin with the eyes. What is it called?
Orca? You're talking about
I don't know. I'm gonna just like black dolphin with white eyes. Fucking
you mean this shit? That's what they didn't-
an orca. Yeah. Fucking that. Yeah, bro. Again, English is not my fucking first language. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. I speak Arabic. Hello. Yeah.
It's a black dolphin.
Tell me Audi R8s don't look like that, bro. Tell me they don't look like that though, right? And then you have McLarens, they look like a fucking actual like dolphin, bro. Or whale, sorry. Where are you on to? I don't know, like that's again, I'm more like very picky with cars. Like I like to have a car that is just, you know, it's my drive at the end of the day, like whatever I feel like driving it that day, you know? Now that I got two sides, the Beamer and the Benz, it just like drive wise, definitely the BMW hands down 1000% way better feel when it comes to driving it. Handling wise, turns, the turn radius is shit, don't get me wrong, but BMW is hands down, like genuinely speaking, hands down, the fucking turns you could take them going 120. I took a turn going 120 and I was completely fine, like it was nothing. And you have Cole, you have AB next to me, they're all crashing out like, what the fuck are you doing? I'm like, yeah bro, I'm all good, it's chill. It's actually so fun to drive it. But then the Mercedes is the exhaust, just the sound is just so incredible. It's just so awesome. Yeah, 120 miles, yeah. I was flying, bro. The Mercedes, just the exhaust of it is just like that aggressive. Like, it's just that muscle feel for sure. It's like, you feel like the car is so manly. Like, it's just so made to fucking just rev it. And then you have the lock limiter, and that kind of ruins it. But yeah, whatever, bro. When the Fast and Furious were filming, it wasn't filming. Z, remember the day that we were taking the turn go 100 plus on the way to the gym?
Yeah.
It's so normal in the beam. It's so normal, bro.
Oh,
It is
yeah.
so normal.
Come do it in a Porsche, gang. Oh.
That's what I'm saying. In a Porsche, it's even better handling. You even get better handling than that, you know? Welcome in, everybody. Follow if you're new, guys. Teach ZZ to take turns doing 120 without hitting mailboxes. He actually did. He did. He did not hit the mailboxes. Yo, mistakes happen, yo. Even the best drivers crash, you know. Shit happens, bro. This is life.
I'm off live.
I'm still on.
That's it for today for me.
I'm still on, just chatting with chat. Just hanging out. What are you looking for, long or short? At the moment, nothing, bro. To be honest with you, it's just pure chop. I'm not willing to trade this. You gotta go live stream buying a Cadillac, bro. What do you mean? Cadillac, really? I dusted one, bro. Gapped it. Not even worth it. I literally had the throttle halfway on the gas. Like, I'm just halfway, and I'm like just waiting for him to go so that way he gets that ego boost, and I'm just coming right by him. I saw you in the Galleria the other day. Wait, when? Wait. You saw me in the Galleria. That is actually very accurate. But what day? Let's see. Because I was in the Galleria. Nah, that's wild.
Obviously, the day that you were in the Galleria.
What day? That's what I want to know, because I be going there pretty often.
What do you mean, what day? Friday?
I wasn't there on Friday, maybe. Maybe Thursday, maybe Friday, maybe Saturday. I want to know what day. Because I was there, but, you know, when was I there? You know what I mean? Type.
I was at the airport, and somebody said hi at TSA.
Saturday markets closed with someone. Yeah, you're pretty accurate. That was definitely me.
Dubs.
Longs or I'm not in anything right now, bro. I'm just gonna have to wait for now. There's nothing that I'm interested in. Passed by the episode? What the fuck? That's crazy. What the hell? But yeah, it's like with Mercedes, the exhaust whenever you're actually just driving is just it's just max level like fucking aura. It's just so nice to hear the car sound. It's just amazing. Is there any ICT concept you use at all? No, to be honest. The only thing I would recommend is probably liquidity sweeps. That's the only thing that I would actually recommend to people to understand. B58 is better. Would you rather buy an M340i or a Supra? Huh?
Oh.
An M340i or a Supra? Which one? Since we're talking about B58 here.
Okay.
If I'm going for a
I would buy a
B58,
Supra.
I'm going Supra. Yeah, I'm going Supra.
I would buy a Supra.
I'm definitely going for Supra.
Can't, bro. You like
M340i.
you're buying a BMW. That you're buying a BMW that keeps its value. Yes, like bro. Oh my god. Like what the fuck? You're literally buying a BMW that keeps its value. And BMWs, they're known to not keep their value, unless it's a CS, obviously. Unless it's a CS.
CS GTS.
OC. OCS keep their values, or the Jaffa edition.
Jaffa edition for sure. Yeah. I think
You got
way
these-
better and it holds value. M340 does not hold value, bro. No.
Oh no.
Mm-mm.
Oh no, not one.
Supra's actually more valuable than an M340i right now. If you go check out Supras, they're like driven like 30k miles minimum, and they're like actually fucking, they're holding their value pretty well. They're in the 50s, you know. I work at BMW. Okay, where you work at BMW? Which BMW? I'm gonna come to you. Find me a CS, an M5 CS. I want the green one,
They're not gonna have them at BMWs.
of course.
They don't
My
have
luck.
that at BMWs.
Supra more reliable, but come on, BMW performance and interior. Yeah, I get the interior part. I
Bro,
mean,
it's the same thing.
if you're going
It's the same
interior,
thing.
you might as well go Mercedes. Like, be real with you.
It's the same.
No. But
Oh, see.
if we're gonna talk about
You're talking
interior,
about the Supra or the M340i?
M340i and the Supra between them, I would say, in my opinion,
It's
if
the
you're gonna look at
same
interior,
thing.
yeah. But if you care about interior wise, just go Mercedes.
Gang. Oh.
Yeah. If you really care about the interior and how the car is inside, go Mercedes. Just top notch.
But the engine.
It's not the same thing, of course. That's what I'm saying. Mazda Miata's got them
the
all.
engine.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie.
I mean,
What was he?
just get a C63 and then engine swap it to a B58.
No. Get the B58 and then put the Mercedes interior in it. That would be cheaper. C63 would be more expensive than the Beam. Miata, I'm not gonna lie. By the way, Miata in 1995 and 1990, like all the way to 1998, I think the one with the pop-up headlights, smoothest drive I've ever had in my whole life. Smoothest fucking drive. It's so nice on the turns. It's barely going like 60, but don't get me wrong, like that shit was fun.
I'm gonna head out, bro.
All right, bro. Enjoy your vacation, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I'll probably be on tomorrow here in New York.
All right. I'm just chatting in here, guys. So I'm not seeing anything much. I'm just gonna watch the market. I mean,
I'll
if
see
there's
you
something
guys
that pops up, I'll let you
tomorrow.
guys know. Taking any more? I'm watching for now. I'm just watching. Honestly, I'm just watching. I'm looking at the market. I'm sitting here waiting for something to pop open, but within like the next hour, if nothing happens, then I'm done. What about the M2 G87? Awesome car, honestly. I think they're fucking crazy good. For me, I'm big on like sliding the car. I don't like just the straight feel and that's it. Just going straight. That doesn't take any skill. You're just pushing the gas, bro. Like that's all you're fucking doing. There's nothing special about that. But being in control of the car when you're turning and stuff like that, I mean, that's a whole different game. And the Beam is definitely on top. Beamers when it comes to that for sure. Someone get a car recommendation. Let's do the top 10. Let's do top 5 cars. Top 5 cars. What's number 1? Let's see what chat thinks. Discord, you guys can be included as well, and YouTube as well. What do you guys think is top 1 number car is? Gotta be with the model too. LaFerrari, Swan, Daytona, 488 piece of beautiful Mustang. All right, bro, really? Lexus LFA, GTR, 911 Porsche GT3 RS, Porsche GT3 RS, 918 Porsche, Ferraris. I'm getting a lot of Ferraris, yo. Toyota Prius, awesome car. I think it's really good. I'm gonna get one for sure very soon. I'm gonna get a Prius. I need something reliable. Austin Martin, damn, you guys are fucking crazy with the amount of cars that people are saying. Carrera GT, SVJ, Ferrari 812, twin turbo Audi R8. Oh my god, that'll be crazy, bro. Chinese EVs. Cybertruck, come on. Alright, I'm getting a lot of Porsches and a lot of Ferraris, so I'll put Porsche because Ferrari is not gonna cut it for me, bro. I'll just put Porsche, okay? I'm not gonna put the model because a lot of people are saying. What about number 2? What's number 2? What's number 2? What takes number 2? A Lotus? What? At E63 2017. BMW. RSQ8. RSQ8s are fucking tough. Chevy Malibu. Alright, bro. GTR R34. They had a hype at a certain point, and I think they're like the people that like the GTR R34s are like a lot of like younger kind of generation, I would say. The younger gens. GT63S, those are goated, yeah. Blackwing, okay, Supra, BMW, God. Benz GT63. BMW, Toyota GTR, Vanguard, Volvo. Alright, we're gonna do BMW because I'm seeing a lot of BMWs. Alright, BMW. 3. What are we doing? What's number 3? SVJ, Audi RS6, Ferrari Spider, come on. Audi. Yeah, I think Audi or Mercedes. Wait, hold on. Audi or Mercedes? How do I do a poll? Let me see. Here, we're gonna do a poll real quick. Audi or Mercedes? Because I'm seeing a lot of that. Quick poll. Alright. Smiley face is gonna be the Mercedes. Crying emoji is gonna be the Audi. Boom, go. Wait, where the fuck did it go? Alright. Smiling face is Mercedes. Audi is gonna be the crying emoji. Oh my god. Oh, Mercedes is gapping the fuck out of Audi. Shit. Where's Tesla's? I don't see that. Mercedes or Audi, guys? Mercedes is the smiley face. Audi is the crying emoji. 32 smiley face. Okay, I'll Mercedes, I guess. I have 14 seconds left, so I'm waiting. Can Audi catch up on this? Smiley face is Mercedes. I'll count you guys. He said Mercedes too. Okay. Yeah, it's Mercedes definitely won that. Mercedes definitely won that. All right. Mercedes definitely won that. All right. Mercedes. I'm gonna just put Merc there. All right. Number 4. I'll do Audi because a lot of people wanted the Audi too. Okay. Number 5. What will be 5? Let's do something that's not German. Something that is not German. What happened? Lucci?
Nissan.
Nissan?
Some random ass fucking. Some random brand.
That's what I'm saying. Something Honda. People saying
People
Honda.
were saying Honda.
Honda. Long gold lemon. Bro, I'm not gonna take it right now. Nissan Skyline R32. Nissan. It's a lot of Nissan. Alright. Nissan it is. That's interesting. Not a lot of people. Not a lot of people picked. I was expecting more of like Bugatti, Lamborghini, fucking Ferrari, and all these top notch freaking like brands and shit. But it's surprising. A lot of people got good car taste, honestly. Not just the brand and that's it. You ain't got Bugatti money. I don't think it's even worth buying it. Like, it's not even like the hype for it is not as crazy as that. You know, it could be. Lambo, again, I would rent a Bugatti. I would rent a Lambo. I would not fucking buy one, bro. I'm sorry. I would rather beat on that car and not have to fix it. I would rather just fucking go beat that shit and then dip out. That's it. I don't have to worry about it. Then go over there and start fixing the car and have it to do with all that nonsense. That's just me though. Bugatti too expensive
Wait,
to rent. Yeah,
to get an oil change on a Bugatti is $25,000.
that's what I'm saying. What's the point? Like, I would rather just go rent one, beat the fuck out of it, bro, and like destroy that shit. Drop it back at the owner, pay the extra fines or whatever the fuck he's gonna fine me for. Oh no, the tires, whatever. What is it gonna be? An extra $500, $600? Here you go, bro. Shit, $5,000. At least I'm not gonna have to maintain it, deal with the bullshit. None of that. Just give me that car, let me beat the fuck out of it and dip. That's just me though. Like, if I buy something that I want to keep, I want to buy something that I get to enjoy and I can fix on my own. My cars, they break, I could go fix them on my own. I don't have to even pay for a mechanic. Rayan is here. He's there goes the top #1 Beamer fan right here.
Good, Rayon.
We hear you. So I'm saying,
What? I just came in. What's happening?
would you rather, Rayan? Would you rather rent a Bugatti or own a Bugatti?
I would own a Bugatti, bro. That's how many Beamers I can buy for that shit, bro.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
If I mean, depends. Like, if I had all the money in the world, would I own a Bugatti?
You ain't fixing no timing chain when it goes turbo quick. I'm not fixing the timing chain on the Beamer. Fuck no, bro. I'm good. No way.
I don't even think I want it.
Let me see that. What is that? Subscription. Wait, where did you find that? Where'd you find that? Is that here?
Yeah, don't leak your shit.
Okay, yeah, I'm not.
Are you on TikTok still?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going there yet. I'm not gonna go in there yet.
Damn, bro, called you a dumbass, bro.
I feel really sad now.
What's your trading record?
Do you
for
prefer
today?
high win rate or high RR? Just depends on your psychology, bro. At the end of the day, like, high win rate, high RR, they both have their good and bad. With a higher win rate, you're obviously winning a lot more often than you're losing, so like your mental is just there. With higher RR, you're not worried about those losses because there's so little. So you're like, okay, well, one trade could make that shit back plus more. It's just your choice.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's got to be higher win rate, bro. That fib shit, when we were on the fib shit, taking those paper cuts, pissed me off.
Me too, bro. I'm not lying. I couldn't do it, bro. I don't know. I had Moe, R.I.P. Soldier, Fallen Soldier.
Yo, you gotta tell me the lower on that, by the way, Turbo.
I got you, guys. He told me a lot about the fibs, whatnot. Couldn't do it, but let me get off stream, guys. Thank you all for tuning in on TikTok and on YT. It means a lot. We'll see you guys back on for New York tomorrow, or I mean Asia tomorrow. Sorry, I'm done for the day. See you guys back on. Take care, everybody. For everybody